Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to have you here once again on this channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Lizzie. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and also share when this video helps you. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you guys so much. So today I'm going to show you all how to tie this simple DIY rose gele. You could actually achieve this with an ashoke fabric. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of the fabric. Thereafter I went ahead to make about 4 pleats on the base of the fabric like this. So I want a V shape in front of the fabric, so I'm just going to make sure that I place one hand behind the ear of the mannequin. This mannequin actually does not have ear, so I'll place it at the middle of the head of the mannequin while I bring the other hand towards the middle like this, just to form a V shape. It's actually really easy if you follow these steps that I'm showing you all today. So I'm just going to bring this hand to the front like this and also be consistent while I do that. So when you have 4 pleats on one side, you have to make sure that you have 4 pleats on the other side as well. So I'm going to hold this hand of the fabric like this and then hold the other hand as well, and I'm going to place them at opposite ends like this, just so that everything is firm. So I'm going to switch the hands of the fabric like this. So after doing that, I'm going to make sure that everything is properly done and to make sure that my pleats or the fabric is not trying to fall off from the head of the mannequin. So my mannequin is quite slippery, so I usually it actually takes me time though, because it's more difficult to tie on a mannequin, which of course you know is slippery, than when you tie on a client or a model, whatever the case may be. So right now I'm going to pin one hand of the gele just so that everything stays firm, and then go ahead to start making my rose on this side of the fabric. So I'm just basically going to form like a circle, the way you can see me do in the video. And then my pleats are not really consistent, like it doesn't really have a particular method, but the pleats, you could actually make them neater than mine, or you could just follow what I'm doing right now. At the end of the day, you still achieve a rose. So right now I'm just going in this circular motion and just trying to achieve a rose like this. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to pin the edges of the rose like this, just so that everything stays intact while I go ahead to work with the other hand of the fabric. So this is basically it, guys. The rest of this particular tutorial is really detailed. You can achieve this in nothing more than 5 minutes, honestly. So basically what I'm going to do with the second hand of the gele is to just twist it underneath the rose. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this tutorial. So once you're done setting everything properly, you have to close the back of the gele, and that is what I'm doing right now. I usually feel like it comes out really neat when you close the back of the gele. So this is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that it was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share if this video has helped you in any way. Please don't also forget to turn on your notification button so that each time I post, you get a notification and you'll be the first to know. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.